Hey guys, it's Ron here with RM Photos, and today we're going to talk about the DJI multi-charger versus the Autel Evo multi-charger right after this. Hey guys, it's Ron here with RM Photos, and on my channel I talk about drones and drone photography. So if that's of any interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. More videos will be coming. Today what I'm talking about is the DJI Mavic Series charging hub, as well as the Autel Robotics Evo charging hub. Now, in the Facebook groups that I'm in, I've seen a lot of people complain and or voice concern on why this charging hub does not charge all 4 batteries at the same time. And they've also kind of voiced concern about the price of $79. Now, that's the concern about this one. There's really not too much concern about the DJI one. Not a lot of people have really voiced their concern about that at all, but the price point on this is $69. Both these charging hubs charge pretty much identical. What I mean by that is it will seek out the battery that has the highest charge and then charge that to about the 80% level, and then once it hits 80%, then it trickle charges it to the 100% capacity. Then once it hits the 80%, it goes to the next battery that has the highest level of charge, starts charging that to 80% rather than boom, so on and so forth, and it goes down the line until it gets all 4 batteries, or depending on how many batteries you have in your charger. So the Evo does the same thing. Now, again, the concern about the price of $79 and $69, $10, I'm not going to complain about that. And I'm also going to go with whatever the manufacturer recommends. They both charge your batteries to perfection. These things are pretty intelligent, and what I mean by that is they know what charging modes your batteries have, cycles, battery levels, and capacities. So you put that all into one, and it's going to give you the perfect charge, and that's what these things are built to do, is they're made to give your batteries the perfect charge. Now, batteries aren't cheap. We're talking about $100 plus per battery. So why wouldn't you want whatever the manufacturer is going to recommend to give you the longest longevity or longest lifespan for your battery? That's what I go with. So Autel recommends we use this one for the multi-charger because it's going to give you pretty much the perfect charge and let your battery last the longest. Well, that's what I'm going to go with. Same with DJI. Price point on the DJI is $69.99, $79.99 for the Autel Robotics charging hub, and both of them are both really compact. Now check this one out. This is the DJI. Look at this one right here. You can see I have right there shooting light, and then boom. Look how compact it goes. And then the Evo, again, pretty compact. When it comes to height, the DJI is just a little taller. But nonetheless, they're going to give you both the perfect charge. Now for the Autel Robotics charging hub, it's pretty simple. Just goes in like that. You push down and boom. As you see in the video, the light on top is green. The batteries are charging. Now it charges the one battery again up to 80%, then trickle charges it and it goes down to the next battery in line, and so on and so forth. Now, for the DJI charging hub, as you see right here, it's opened up, and they're just like so, and there you go. It's that simple. Now, as you see in the video here, you can see that the one battery is charging. None of the other batteries are charging because it's going to charge that battery to the 80% capacity and then move to the next battery at the highest level of charge and then starts trickle charging as soon as it gets to 80%. You guys can see that they're pretty compact, doesn't take up much space, and it's going to give your battery the perfect charge. Guys, both these are going to be available. Links are in the description below. They're going to be available at DroneWorks. I get my stuff from DroneWorks. Now this is going to go a little bit off base here. I have an Osmo Action. It just stopped working. I'm not going to do a video on it because there's a bazillion and 5 videos and whatnot, but my Osmo Action just wouldn't take a charge, it wouldn't turn on, nothing. So I just called up DroneWorks, said, hey, this is what's going on. They sent me a shipping label. I shipped it off to DJI, and I'm letting DroneWorks take care of all of that for me because I don't want to call DJI. I don't know if you've ever seen my video on the phone with a tech support rep or a customer service rep with DJI. Wasn't pretty. That's all I'm going to say. So I don't have the patience for that. I go to DroneWorks. They have the patience for that. Moving on. And I'm waiting to get my Osmo Action back. Guys, if this video helped you out in any way, shape, or form, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, that bell to be notified. And if it didn't help you in any way, shape, or form, just hit the like button anyway. Yeah, we all like to be liked, right? Guys, thanks for watching. Happy flying. Take it easy. Later.